you Dora that the Quella Kakatanui Martin with the Cabasada Yatilla dog with no Thalos who a Kutani at the Pathy Paclu that you can set or on it the Kawi Katia Puerto Kayamano, Kane Pocasel Legadot at the Quassing out of a domino, W. Section B. System of Government. Copaduata Solorello. The way near Tatikwa Ueda 30 year plus. Kane Yagdoro Tatikwa ni no it si 30 no it 30. The Ulot at the scene we plan Yagdoro la video signal Kamono. Question number 13. Name one branch or part of the government. Go to Aduadita Kamirmiakurka. Answer. Congress, Legislative, President, Executive, the Courts, Judicial. The third sister, Congress, Blow, Padu Duota Thutato, Koko, Padu Malabueta, Guablotapa, Tasigno, Bow Guawo. What stops one branch of governments from becoming too powerful? Tamanima Padu Padu Adid color, Asukamodu Totalele. This is checks and balances, separation of powers. The Mithamo dos Quata Malopata Sukamodapa. Question 15. Who is in charge of the executive branch? Matabamu Badala Tamalapueta Adile. Answer. The President, Koko. Question 16. Who makes federal laws? Matadiu Toko Saputhe Satablale. Answer. Congress, Senate and House of Representatives, U.S. or National Legislature. Sisa Congress, Blodota do He Blopo Kasa. Question 17. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? U.S. a Congress block Kikani Mimnile. Answer. The Senate and House of Representatives Blota do Blopokasatapa. Question 18. How many U.S. senators are there? U.S. Odo Blodotaku Topegale. Answer. 100. Takaya. Question 19. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? Bahuta U.S. Blodukutu Lepueni Gole. Answer. 6. Who? Question 20. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? K.E. Nakose U.S. Kutu Aklatua Mimitale. Answers will vary. Do the Nitothalan Ukose Puno, Dota Tikwawe Yata Sisani Nakasakaba Hunikio, Bam Nukulan Ukose .b .bini Kutulos Howe Huno. Question 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? He Blopu Kasa Udo Wahita Papu Bwigale. Answer. 435. Luigia 30 year. Question 22. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? Buhuta U.S. Blocker Sadgala Bueniogole. Answer. 2. Key. Question 23. Name your U.S. representative. Go to on U.S. Blocker Sadki. Answers will vary. Tasisa Dutani Totala Koselan Opuno. Question 24. Who does a U.S. senator represent? U.S. Blodutaka Satuga Geka Salam Tagole. Answer. All people of the state. Pakoga Dela Kosebu. Question 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? ba menu ho ko set no udo blotta ko khsa ani gale. Answer. Because of the state's population, because they have more people, because some states have more people. That is a couple ko se bonogi, couple nogi oa, couple ko set no udonogi a. That is a uther planakia commute mi holoho, nemiledu said on a sister terplauthilo. Question 26. We elect a president for how many years? Bahuta ko kutugala bweni gole. Answer 4. Louis. Question 27. In what month do we vote for president? Bihita pala tahuta ko kula la pelebile. Answer November. Question 28. What is the name of the President of the United States now? America gosa po akoko ke ituga midile. Answer Donald Trump. Question 29. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? America gosa po akoko kiga ke amidile. Answer Mike Pence. Question 30. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Koku mata mitanila bado mataketo kokule. Answer the vice president. Koku kiraraga. Dota way ni miweda America paduata kota lemo le yita kwe u blood ko ye kole blood do ye bayola ka bui bala thu ko ye ma shekila paymo sene ni keweda blood do thako house ni keweda hi blood la ko minimi blood po senators ni blood do thako ko to house of representative ni blood la ko to Nobata kwa tilano ita sini wili na kiti session bineta di kwa utili sinui pla hudani yekse tora niti tete phate su clear no dolam kata di kwa klani no tati kwa no kisita ni tu kisa ba hueda ta si se do de ne thotale no weda kose don weda korebu akutani na lela gugu dan hukya tena no humida bara ne di kwa ya la ya page ne tena lovely